Hi and welcome back to Urki Electrical channel. We are here in a kitchen. A customer called that when he plugged this refrigerator here to this GFCI outlet, it trips. If you see, the GFCI outlet is right now like working perfect. The green light is on and is well mounted, but when you plug something like this light here, see, it's not turning on. Okay, light is not turning on. If you check to the other outlet here, you can see that, see, turns on here. That means that has a problem. This one has a problem, so we're gonna show you how to fix this problem here. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, now we did turn off the power and take out the faceplate and take out the outlet from the box and turn on the power again. As you can see, it says like the outlet is on. And what we're gonna check first is here where the power coming from, because per experience I know that this is the load side and this is the line side of the outlet. But let's see where the power is coming from. Okay, this is the load side. Look, you see, problem, because the power is supposed to be on the line side. Look at the line, you see, the line, nothing. The load side, power. So somebody brought the power to the load side of the outlets and take the load wire, put on the line side of the outlet. And look at the next thing, what happened here. Look at the ground wire in the box. Okay, the ground wire in the box is not connected to the GFCI outlet. That's another problem. Okay, so we're gonna solve that and show you what's gonna happen after. The power is now off. As you can see, no more power. So we will take out the wires and reverse them, reverse the order of the wires, connect the ground wire to the outlet and try. Okay, put back the power on and try it. Okay, now we have properly reconnected all the wires and put the ground up. See, as you can see, okay, the line wire to the line of the GFCI, the load wire to the load of the GFCI, and as you can see now, we can test, see, okay, it's working properly now. Alright, no problem. So I'm just gonna go and turn off the power again.